Mechanical keyboards have made one of the most underrated computer peripherals, popular and expensive keyboards. What's not to love about modern mechanical keyboards? Nothing. They are robust, make the sweet clickety click sound if you are into that whole typewriter vibe, and feel more comfortable while striking your fingers against the keys. Best mechanical keyboards in India have usurped the traditional keyboards both in terms of expectations and price. As always, you will find the links of all the products in the description down below, and we keep updating the links for the best prices available. So with that being said, the first one in our list is Redragon Kumara K552. Redragon Kumara K552 is a tad bit costly, but I would justify the bump in the cost with the comfort that comes with the mechanical keyboard. It is a matte black design and one of the subtle yet best mechanical keyboards in India. Redragon is composed of plastic with a metal plate underneath to provide a more rigid base. The keyboard sheds the numeric keypad for uniform size and a compact build, so your decision rests on the need for a separate numeric keypad. The material used for keycaps is ABS plastic, which is bare minimum for keycaps. Redragon uses Optimo Red key switch that claims to be comparable to the Cherry Red MX. The keyboard is very light and weighs just 875 grams, making it easy to carry. Redragon Kumara swaps the Optimo switch for the Cherry Red MX, and the difference is slightly noticeable. Rest assured, gaming or typing on the keyboards is a great experience. It has anti-ghosting technology, so you do not have to be concerned about an unregistered keystroke. There are only 87 keys to work with, so you have to get your priorities right before buying this keyboard. It has rainbow backlighting with numerous modes to satisfy your needs. Redragon does a fantastic job for a semi-economical mechanical keyboard that has a satisfying keystroke and a metal plate to hold it in place. The RGB effects are great but can be only cycled using a combination of keys that I find a little troublesome. Also, there is no software counterpart that successfully installs on your system, so it needs a fix in that department to transcend other best mechanical keyboards in India. So next up we have Ant Esports MK3400 V2. Ant Esports is another one of the best mechanical keyboards in India, dedicated to avid gamers and typing enthusiasts. The Ant Esports is a plastic build with an aluminium plate beneath holding all of the contents in place. There is an added palm rest to make your keyboard experience more convenient. The keyboard uses a full-fledged 108 keys layout with 12 separate buttons for multimedia control. The keyboard is countered to provide a seamless key access experience. Its keycaps do not wobble, and with the two rubberized feet, the chances of slipping are reduced to a minimum. It uses the Chinese counterpart of the Cherry Blue MX switches with no mention of the switch manufacturers. The feedback and click sounds are as satisfying as they can get for a mechanical keyboard in this price range. The keyboard has RGB backlit deck that can be transitioned using the key combination mentioned by the brand. Ant Esports provides non-conflict keys, which is a fancy way of saying that each and every click will generate a response no matter how many keys are pressed at once. The palm rest is nice touch as it didn't feel troublesome for my wrists at all. However, one thing that is missing is the software support for RGB profiles. Ant Esports should look into it because RGB customization is an impending issue for many users and is the reason for ranking it low in the list of the best mechanical keyboards in India. So next one in the list is EvoFox Katana. EvoFox Katana is a mechanical keyboard that needs more attention from consumers. It is one of the sleekest looking best mechanical keyboards in India that comes with dedicated software. Katana is a fairly large keyboard with full deck keys along with a detachable wrist resting pad. It has a flat design with laser engraved switches and clear key labeling that illuminates with the RGB backlit support. EvoFox uses a durable braided cable with an electromagnetic induction disruptor. There are no dedicated media control keys, which is a disappointment given the elaborate key layout. EvoFox uses the mechanical switches from Clicky that provide decent key travel with a robust click. The mechanical keyboard comes with a fully programmable button that can be done using the software bundled with the keyboard. Setting up Marcos custom key profiles for different games is very easy with the software. RGB lighting effects and speed can be altered using the software as well. EvoFox Katana has a Windows key lock to prevent accidentally minimizing the window while gaming or working on a project. EvoFox uses the software to let users have full control of the keyboard. It is great freedom compared to the two keyboards mentioned above. The wrist rest is detachable but is screwed in, so taking it out can be trouble without the right set of tools. Apart from that, for a moderate price, you get one of the best mechanical keyboards in India if you go for the EvoFox Katana. So next up we have Cosmic Byte Black Eye. Cosmic Byte Black Eye is another great alternative for the best mechanical keyboard in India, which come with the floating mechanical keys and a rigid body. Cosmic Byte uses a metal frame on the sides to provide sturdiness to the otherwise flimsy plastic chassis. It uses a braided cable that is adequately long and comes with a gold-plated USB connector. Cosmic Byte comes with a detachable wrist rest that is long enough to accommodate even large hands. The slant angle makes it easy to fit your hands in a more natural position. There is a key puller included the box which can be used to pull out the keycaps while cleaning. Cosmic Byte Black Eye uses a complete layout of 108 keys with function keys that double up for a few useful features. The keyboard uses blue switches that are louder and more tactile than the brown counterpart. An anti-ghosting mechanism and 8 multimedia keys are present on the keyboard, so using the combination isn't a problem. There are 13 RGB backlighting effects to choose from, which have to be altered manually due to the lack of dedicated software. Cosmic Byte is very comfortable and ergonomic for users that spend a lot of time fiddling with the keyboard. It focuses on ease of usage and comes with a detachable wrist pad that is an added bonus. I hope they would have included customization software, as setting macro keys is a steep learning curve. If Cosmic Byte Black Eye is able to fix this inconvenience, it can be the best mechanical keyboard in India. So last one in the list is Quantum QHM 9800 Rapid Strike. Expecting a top-notch product from Quantum is far-fetched thought, but this version in particular has the feature to rank in our list of the best mechanical keyboard. Quantum Rapid Strike is slightly cheaper and raised some eyebrows, but it is a decent plastic build with no traces of metal reinforcement on the sides. The keycaps are hollowed slightly differently to adjust the natural fingertips curve. The switches are hot swappable, so you can make some modifications to the existing layout and tactile feedback. Rapid Strike comes with a spill-proof design, so accidental spillage isn't an issue. There are no dedicated media keys on the keyboard and you have to use the function keys to use the media controls. There is no wrist rest on the keyboard, while the connection cable is adequate for side-mounted or bottom-mounted PC. Quantum Rapid Strike doesn't stand out from regular keyboards in terms of the fancy RGB lighting, but uses B23 blue switches that sounds great and do not feel like a cheap imitation of a mechanical keyboard. The keyboard also support hot swappable key switches that can be useful for modders. N-key rollover and 12 mode RGB lighting are present in the keyboard, which makes using complex key combination a possibility. Quantum doesn't ship software support with the keyboard, so you have to stick with the manual lighting change controls and macro key mapping. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please do let us know your favorite keyboard of the list in the comments down below. And for more updates on the latest gadgets, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.